Hello, here are 7 common reasons why people may feel unproductive and less fulfilled in life. Number 1. Lack of clear goals or direction. Without clear, well-defined goals, people may struggle to focus their energy. This often leads to feeling aimless, making it hard to measure progress, which in turn decreases motivation and productivity. Without a sense of purpose or direction, it's difficult to experience fulfillment. Number 2. Procrastination. The tendency to delay tasks, especially those that seem daunting or unpleasant, is a major barrier to productivity. Procrastination often stems from fear of failure, perfectionism, or a lack of self-discipline, which can create stress and lead to unfulfilled potential. Number 3. Distractions and overstimulation. Constant distractions, whether from technology, social media, emails, notifications, or other external sources, fragment attention. This makes it difficult to focus deeply on important tasks, resulting in low productivity and the feeling of being unfulfilled because of not making meaningful progress. Number 4. Poor time management. Without effective time management skills, people often end up wasting time on low-priority activities or jumping between tasks without accomplishing much. This can lead to feelings of dissatisfaction, as people don't feel they're using their time efficiently or working on things that truly matter to them. Number 5. Lack of self-care and burnout. Failing to prioritize physical, mental, and emotional well-being can lead to burnout. When people are exhausted or stressed, it's hard to maintain high levels of productivity or feel fulfilled. A lack of rest, exercise, and relaxation can sap energy and prevent people from performing at their best. Number 6. Fear of failure or rejection. The fear of failing or being judged can paralyze people, causing them to avoid pursuing their dreams or taking necessary risks. This self-doubt can block progress and growth, leading to missed opportunities and an overall sense of dissatisfaction and unfulfillment. Number 7. Negative mindset or lack of gratitude. A pessimistic outlook on life where people focus on what they lack instead of what they have can hinder productivity. When individuals don't appreciate their accomplishments or the opportunities before them, they can feel unfulfilled no matter how much they actually achieve. These factors often interplay, compounding one another and making it difficult to break free from unproductive habits or feelings of dissatisfaction. Addressing them can lead to a more productive, fulfilling life.